Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about T-Mobile and what kind of deals they have with the new iPhone SE. Out of basically the four big carriers, which includes Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and US Cellular now, T-Mobile, at least currently, they're advertising that they are having one of the best promos for the new iPhone SE 3rd Gen. Currently, right now, they have really good promotions. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what kind of promotions they have to entice new customers or maybe upgrades. But usually they do new customers only. But like I said, I like to go over these articles with you and give you my honest opinion and do, like I said, honest opinion. So let's go ahead and check it out. I mean, it's around the corner too. So it says earlier this week, T-Mobile revealed that they will be offering the new iPhone SE, iPad Air, and iPhone 13 color options. We are getting more information on this deal thanks to T-Mobile's recent announcement. So basically they said that, so check this out. It says in the press release, T-Mobile announced that both new and existing T-Mobile and Sprint customers can get the new iPhone SE for $30 on any plan. So that's pretty good. So yeah, definitely I would say T-Mobile has the best promo currently, since it's for new and existing customers. They can get it for only $30, guys. That's pretty cool on any plan. It says this is just one of the deals the company is offering on the latest Apple product. So it's pretty cool. You can read that quote, but I don't want to read it because it's quote by quote. But basically what they're saying is you can now get the new iPhone SE and iPad on the nation's largest and fastest 5G network at the best value. So it's pretty cool. Just for $30, a family of four can save up to $1,000 a year. Wow. Great network and great value. Means customers win. So yeah. Says the other deal that T-Mobile is running include the following. So these are the deals that they have. So it says get the new iPhone SE for $30, up to $400 off with 24-month bill credits when trading in an eligible device on any plan. So there's a first requirement right there, guys. You have to put this on installments, which will knock $400 off of it. Obviously, the phone is $430. So this is via a 24-month bill credit. So they don't give you a lump sum of $400 off. Remember, they knock off per month bill credit. So which is nice. And of course, you have to do a trade-in, guys. You have to trade in your device. So you have to trade in an eligible device at that, but it can be on any plan. So it's pretty cool. So if you don't have a plan and if you don't have a phone to trade in, then you're not going to really qualify for this. So it says the second one is don't have a trade-in, get half off on the new iPhone SE with 24-month bill credits when adding a new line on any plan. So it says if you don't have a trade-in, then you can't upgrade or get or do the new promotion, but you can get half off on the new iPhone SE when you're adding a line, guys. So that's another thing. The third one, it says get the iPhone 13 in two new colors, Alpine Green and Green, for free, up to $800 off with 24-month bill credits when adding a line and trading in an eligible device on any plan. So you get an iPhone 13 in two new colors, guys. Like I said, the Alpine Green and the regular green for free, which is up to $800 off via bill credits, like I said, for 24 months. But you have to add a line and have to have a device to trade in. So it says switchers can also save a family of four up to $1,000 a year on service with taxes and fees included. Of course, this comes with all the bells and whistles of a typical plan, such as a free year of Apple TV Plus on eligible plans, team of experts, free international roaming, and T-Mobile Tuesday rewards. So pretty cool, I would say. Let's go ahead and see this phone right here. So this is on T-Mobile's website. So this is the new phone. It looks like the iPhone SE 2020. So it's exactly the same phone. They just kind of upgraded the processor, or should I say the engine of it. I call it the engine, but the processor is what I'm talking about. So you can get 64, 128, or 256 iPhone SE 3rd Gen. Get up to $400 off with a trade-in. So it says starting at $17.92 a month for 24 months with 0% down, taxes and before promotion. So that's just without no promo. It's about $18 a month. So they do have different colors: the black, the red, and then the Starlight, which is white. I like the red one, honestly. It's pretty cool. Estimated ship date is March 18 to March 18. I believe it comes out on the 19th. So it's a 12 megapixel wide camera, 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera. They don't know talk time or text, but it's going to be basically about the same as the last year's, I believe. 4.7 inch widescreen Retina HD display. 1334 by 750 pixels, 15 hours of video playback, IP67 water resistant, Touch ID, iOS 15. Of course, this is the big feature is a 5G. So 5G, last year's model is not 5G, this year's is, so it's 5G cellular. 4.7 inch Retina HD display, advanced single camera system, 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera, and A15 Bionic chip, which is the newest one. So pretty cool, lightning fast A Bionic chip and fast 5G, guys. So really cool. Here's more specs on it. So really nice, guys. Overall, I think this is a good deal. Like I said, you could get the $400 off. So it says get up to $400 off with a trade-in, or save 50% with new line. So if you're adding new line, you get half off. If you're trading in a phone, you can save $400 off a new phone. So it says purchase a new, of course, iPhone 13, trade in. So here it is, get up to $400 off. So wow, pretty cool. So these would be the phones, I believe, that you get up to $400 off. This is for $200 off, and then these are for $100 off. Receive up to $400 back via one-time bill credit based on your trade-in value and balance of offer via 24-month bill credit. So pretty cool. And then, of course, you can add a line for half off. So overall, I think it's pretty cool. But let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Is this something that interests you? I mean, like I said, it's pretty cool that T-Mobile is offering a new iPhone SE 3rd gen for only $30 on any plan. So you don't even have to switch your plan or do anything crazy like that, So it's amazing. And then T-Mobile, just make sure you check your coverage because T-Mobile, they've expanded their 5G network, but if you're in rural America, it might not be the best fit for you. So like I said, just check your coverage. If you live in a big city, it's always good. You're going to have super fast internet. I will give this to T-Mobile. That's the only reason I don't use T-Mobile, or I've tried them before, but I don't use them just because here where I live, it's a little bit more rural. The city is about 20 minutes away. I'd probably say like 15 minutes away from me, but I work in the city, and then where I live here, it doesn't work. So might not be good for me, but it might be good for you. So just check it out. So thank you, guys.